Oh yeah, these are still fully original. Hell yeah. These are amazing. And it still thinks we're going up. It's still registered as going up. Maybe it just stays like that until otherwise. Or maybe it's just because we're on the first floor, so it has nowhere else to go. But, you know. Beautiful. Is this up? It is. Look at that. Very neat. Oh, whoa. That just canceled it. Can turn the generators on and off, independent service. All from here, wow. All right, well, let's go up to 26. Takes a second to start up. Whoa. And off we go. Wow. These are original from 1957, I believe. Yeah, either way, these are totally original. Wow. Feel that deceleration, that's awesome. And these big like bar things on the window, like these things outside, these are new. Not like new, but like they weren't there when the building was built. And through them you can see 555 17th. Very neat. It's got the rare arrow call buttons. Yeah, these are honestly probably the coolest elevators in downtown Denver. Not probably, these are the coolest elevators in downtown Denver, by far. It looks like we lost that one. And then if you go down the hall, you'll get to the service car, which is modernized. One's here. Oh wow, look, the lantern works. These have the same cabs as before. Whoa, these have really thick doors. Look at that. That's interesting. Otis. I wonder if you can see behind the indicator at all. Not really. That's all good. And here's your emergency telephone. We'll go down to 1. Ooh, nudge mode. I've never heard the nudge mode on these. That's so much more polite than nudge mode on the newer elevators. This little boop, boop, boop. These are just so cool. I love the little just dot for the express zone. That's neat. Like these things really are like historic. Let's go back up to 26 again. We'll watch the indicator. I love that like blue-green arrow. Wow. Pass counterweight. And these are also obviously still originally controlled by the selectors. And we start decelerating by the time we pass 24. All right, we'll ride down again. Yeah, listen to them start up. You can hear the generators go as the motor starts. These are so cool. And I love just, the cabs on these are also amazing. Oh, slowing down. Let's get that free door. These are on intermittent service. See the different modes you can see the different modes to set them to. That clock unfortunately does not work. But this is really neat. Anyway, look at that. That is really cool. That's it.